Hello everyone, today we decided to shoot a video about our new place where we're going to move our manufacture. And today I'm driving with my brother, who is a chief commercial officer, and then behind the camera, as always. But before we show you our new place where manufacture is going to be located, we decided to shoot some looks of our current manufacture where we're located since 2012. будет летать. Вот, а мы на производстве чуть-чуть снимаем снаружи о том, как
Телефон мой лежит на столе.
So here we go. This is our new place for the workshop. It is already private property, so it's our own part of the building, own part of the land in front of it. And over there is a second floor where stairs are going, and we already have like 200 square meters over there. So there's going to be place for the head of manufacture, for the engineer, and some space for changing and lunchtime. So this whole area going to be filled with our machines, CNC, laser cutting machine, all of that you already saw in this video. If you're going over there, there's a like small building, and the floor will continue just to the end of this part of the building. So there's going to be second floor for the welders, and over there we're going to weld like small stuff that is not really heavy, that we can handle on the stairs or just on a lift, which is also is going to be created over there. There's a lot of space, there are a lot of like lights. Yeah, even the pigeon over there. Yeah. Well, it is a really nice place where we can just start making new parts for our home brewers and home distillation processes, and we can put even more machines, and we also going to make more episodes about how we make some stuff, how we use some machines for creating or like making your distillation parts, beer brewing, and all of this are going to be happening over here. So I hope we will finish our building and repairing over here in April or May, and then we will have to move everything over here, which is like pretty expensive, and it's gonna take a lot of time So for that period of time, we cannot create or like make any steel parts or something like that. So for that period, we are going to like give you a discount for shipping, but handling days will be a little bit longer compared to nowadays, where it's about 10 working days. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to push bell notification. And if you have anything to ask, feel free to write in the comments. We'll be really glad to answer you. Thank you for watching. Happy distilling.